Hello Build Space. This is a toy version of my idea, CoMedAI, an AI-powered mobile application for brain MRI analysis and management system. This is a splash screen, just a cool words like analyze, manage, and report. And after this, we can see the sign in and sign up screens and add observation. Here, radiologist chooses the scan type, chooses the patient, or adds new patient. To add a new patient, enters the name and birth year and clicks on the save. The radiologist will see the nice error card with clearly detailed description. On generate, our custom model will generate the conclusion based on the brain MRI. And if there is some mistakes or the conclusion is not good enough, click on the regenerate the conclusion. If everything is okay, enters his or her name and clicks on the submit. From here, his doctor gets the notification that there was added new observation, and then by click on all observations and selects the patient or search for the patient. From here, his doctor chooses the observation that was not approved yet. For example, this one, it's still in pending. His doctor here can see the observation conclusion made. Clicking on conclusion can change the conclusion or add some points here, opinions based on the observation. His doctor may also see the radiologist name, who observed the patient, observed date, and the status. If there is a pending, his doctor clicks on a pending and approves the observation. For example, here, enters the name and approves the observation. If everything is clear and observation is approved, may click on generate the report, clicks on the download, and the report will be downloaded. For example, generated report. You can see the hospital's name and department. There is some details about the patient, radiologist name, his doctor, observation date, name of the observation protocol of MRI, study of the brain. And here you can see the observation, entire observation, which technologists use it, and there is a conclusion. And this is a profile of organization. Organization should enter full name of the hospital or clinic, phone number, and address, because it will be reflected on a report here, as you can see. And here you can see notifiers or cards, how their colors, like error card, notification, warning. And here you can see the CoMedAI 2.0. This is the upgraded version of CoMedAI. Radiologist uploads the brain MRI scan and it will generate the conclusion based on the image. There is no need to fill out form, and this is really helpful in the rural areas like villages where there is a lack of expert radiologists. Also, you can see the MediCords, our search and the main application that was born, the idea supporting the patients every time, not only in the hospitals but online. You can see there's some UI UX design. I tried to make it simple and yet clear, and here you can see how it will look like in the real life. For example, this is your profile and this is a doctor. You can chat with doctor anytime, share the pain, your illnesses, and just chat with the doctor, get advices. Clinics group, you can see some channels like question and answer groups, illness support, pain management, and subgroups like threats, strategies and support, mindful support. Here will be invited all the patients from this organization like hospital or clinic, and they may chat, exchange the ideas, their past painful moments and how they survived this moment, share tips and tricks, their medicals they use it, and it can be helpful for others also. This is just a big one community. You may have a question, why we have 3 different products? Actually, there was an issue and a lot of people was waiting in a big queue just getting the brain MRI observation report. And then was born CoMedAI, an AI-powered mobile application generate medical conclusions. There was second issue where there was underserved areas like villages or rural areas where there was lack of experts. Solve this issue born CoMedAI 2.0, where radiologist just uploads the scan, brain MRI scan, and gets the conclusion. Try MediCord, continuously support the patients. For this, came up with idea to create a MediCord to support the patient, even the online. MediCord gives the 24/7 free access to medical experts. Core idea of CoMed CoMed is the fostering the support community among healthcare professionals and patients all over the globe. Feel free to check out our company page at linkedin.com company CoMedAI. I want to also talk about the model I fine-tuned for brain MRI analysis. I fine-tuned GPT 3.5 Turbo 0125 as recommended in the OpenAI official page training loss, and here you can see the brain MRI more than 200 observations, real observations and real conclusions. And here we can check the model. Let's choose the model and let's choose one observation. This one 145, and let's enter the model, and here we can see the result. There were no MRI signs of structural changes in the brain, cathedral changes and the mucous membranes of the cells of the ethmoids, labyrinths and maxillary sinus. Check the actual answer, it was 145, and there is let's copy and let's paste it here. MRI did not reveal any sign of structural changes in the brain. Okay, there were no MRI signs of structural change. It's correct. Cathedral changes in the mucous membranes of all sinuses. Cathedral changes in the mucous membranes of the cells and the membranes and maxillary sinus. Works pretty well. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.